Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is going to be how to create this hairstyle for this cute little girl, and I have another tutorial where I showed the hairstyle for her elder sister who you're going to see around in the video, so keep watching. So I start off making the heart design behind and the braids that come to the front. If you do not know how to braid a heart, I have a playlist dedicated to that for beginners on my channel, so you can check that out. I'm going to list it down in the description bar as I go along, because I braid natural hair without blow drying it. I have to keep misting the hair with water, leave-in conditioner and a little oil, a mix of those three. So I will do that intermittently as we go. Remember to check out her sister's hairstyle. I will have it linked in the description bar when it goes up also. That hair is also cute, and I am going to come back if there's anything I need to explain. So let's keep watching for now. So to make the ponytail section, I want the ponytail to be high up, so I section the whole remaining hair into 4 sections and put them away. Then at that point where each of the section tapers into the middle, I make one single braid for each of the sections. So in the middle of the ponytail, I am going to have 4 single braids coming out there. This is going to reduce the pain, it is going to add a little bit more volume to the ponytail, and it makes it just look better.